So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize Centerline Trace inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around and import out an image that I want to go ahead and trace out. For example, I have this particular drawing of trees right here, which I'm simply going to go ahead and import. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then turn this raster graphics right here into vector graphics by tracing it. In that case, you can go around onto the trace bitmap menu right here, and here you can see that centerline tracing is an option. So here you can go ahead and choose line drawing or technical illustration. So let me just go around and choose the first one right here, and as soon as I do that, you can see that this is the end result right here. So you can see that you get the technical drawing right here with the lines and so forth. You can change around the level of detail right here. You can move around the slider to get more details right here, just like this. So compared to the quick tracing right here, you get more options and sliders to get the type of output you want. You can also change around the smoothing level for the output that you want as well. And you can also change around the corner smoothness as well. You can also go around and then, let's say, for example, specify out a background color right here. Like, for example, you can go around and choose a different color by taking a sample of it as well, if you have any other colors, but you can just keep it automatic because it's already white. You can also delete out the original image or keep the original image as it is. So the trace type is centerline, as you can see right here, or you can also go for line drawing right here, and then you get the line drawing option. So we also had the line drawing option from over here. So now this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and choose, let's say, technical illustration for a more detailed option right here. And then you can go around and change the level of detail according to how you want over here, just like this. So you can really make it small, or you can go ahead and then make it large as well. So let's just go around, keep it around 100 right here, just like this, and then get the level of detail that we want. Then you can also go around and then, let's say, for example, utilize the color if you have. So right now it's RGB. You can go for CMYK color mode as well, but in my case I just got black and white, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to go around over here, and you can go for illustration or photo realistic sampling as well, but I'm just going to go around and then keep this as it is right here, press OK. So once you go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it traces out that particular graphics right here. And then you can see that this is the vector graphics right here. So you can go ahead and move these out to wherever you want. So let me just go ahead and then select this out right here, move this out around over here. Once you zoom in, you can see that this is the original raster graphics. But if I were to go around over here, this is the vector graphics, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the centerline trace option inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.